Hi, this is Dr. Doug Smale from CDOCS, and today's tip of the day video is on assistant tips for suturing. So when we talk about suturing and assistant helping you suture, there's some very important things that assistants need to know, and they can really cause problems. And one is bringing the scissors into the mouth. And the second one is cutting the suture itself. The first thing is bringing the scissors into the mouth. When we get temps or we have someone new that we've hired, I'm constantly seeing them. I'm ready for the assistant to cut the suture, and then they open up the scissor tips and then bring them towards the mouth. Well, what's that really going to do? It's going to create a great way to puncture both potentially the upper and lower lips. So I'd have two more incisions, or lacerations in this case, to suture up. So it's very important to bring the tips into the mouth fully closed. Now, second thing is cutting the suture itself. Again, the same thing is, even if they bring the tips in together, what happens then? Then they open them up wide and try and cut the suture with the middle of the scissors. Again, another problem. You'll either shove it into the gingiva and create another laceration or lacerate the lips there. So it's very important not to do that when you get into the mouth with the scissors and you're ready to cut the suture itself. Then you're going to want to cut the suture with the tips. Now, when you're ready to cut the suture, the right way to do it is bring the tips in together and then cut the suture itself with the tips. So that way you don't harm the patient or anything else. And so this is the best way to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at a CDOCS course. Thanks.